Craving restaurant-quality meals but short on space or stuck in a dorm with limited cooking options? The Cusimax B101 Electric Hot Plate emerges as a potential game-changer. This review delves into the features and functionalities of this portable burner, helping you decide if it's the key to unlocking a world of delicious possibilities compactly and conveniently. Unlike bulky stovetops, the Cusimax B101 boasts a sleek and space-saving design that fits perfectly on any countertop. But don't be fooled by its size. This little burner packs a serious punch. The 1,500-watt heating element delivers impressive power, allowing you to tackle tasks like boiling water for pasta, simmering flavorful sauces, or even searing steaks with restaurant-worthy char. This powerful output ensures you won't sacrifice performance for convenience. Imagine achieving perfectly runny scrambled eggs, delicately caramelized onions, or flawlessly seared scallops all with the same appliance. The Cusimax B101 empowers you to do just that. Equipped with 7 thermostatically controlled heat settings, it offers precise control over the cooking process. Simply adjust the knob, and the burner heats up rapidly, maintaining a consistent temperature throughout. No more burnt offerings or undercooked dishes. The B101 allows you to cook with confidence and precision, regardless of your culinary experience. The Cusimax B101 goes beyond the limitations of a simple hot plate. It boasts impressive versatility, compatible with a variety of cookware materials. From your favorite cast iron skillets and stainless steel pots to glass and aluminum cookware, the B101 can handle it all. This makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, expanding your culinary horizons and allowing you to experiment with new recipes and cooking styles without limitations. Whether you're whipping up a batch of fluffy pancakes for breakfast or simmering a pot of hearty chili for dinner, the B101 is ready to be your culinary partner. One of the most compelling features of the B101 is its portability. The compact size and lightweight design make it the perfect companion for dorm rooms, office break rooms, camping trips, or even adding an extra cooking surface to a busy kitchen at home. No need to worry about finding a stovetop, simply plug it in and get cooking. This portability opens doors to new culinary experiences, allowing you to enjoy delicious hot meals on the go. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or stuck in a cramped dorm room, the Cusimax B101 prioritizes your peace of mind with several key safety features. Automatic shut-off. This function automatically shuts down the burner when it reaches the desired temperature, eliminating the worry of forgetting to turn it off and wasting energy. Durable cast iron cooktop. The cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution for optimal cooking results and is built to withstand frequent use. Non-slip rubber feet. These keep the hot plate firmly in place on your countertop, reducing the risk of spills and accidents, especially in smaller kitchens where space may be limited. Nobody enjoys scrubbing greasy messes after a delicious meal. The Cusimax B101 is designed with post-cooking convenience in mind. The smooth, non-stick surface effortlessly wipes clean with a damp cloth. No need for harsh chemicals or scrubbing. Say goodbye to post-dinner drudgery and spend more time enjoying your meal or catching up with loved ones. Cusimax offers exceptional customer service with a 30-day hassle-free return policy and product liability insurance in the United States. This commitment to customer satisfaction provides peace of mind, knowing you're investing in a reliable and safe appliance. While the manual warns that the machine will get hot during operation, which is normal for any appliance generating heat, the automatic shutoff and safety features ensure a secure cooking experience. Who is the Cusimax B101 perfect for? The Cusimax B101 caters to a wide range of users with its diverse functionalities. College students. Dorm rooms often lack full kitchens. The B101's portability and compact size make it ideal for preparing quick meals and snacks, from ramen to quesadillas. Busy professionals. Short on time after work. The B101 allows you to whip up healthy meals in a flash. Campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing delicious hot meals. The B101 is your portable kitchen companion, perfect for simmering stews or searing steaks over a campfire. Home cooks with limited space, small kitchens can feel cramped. The B101 acts as an extra cooking surface, perfect for side dishes or keeping warm sauces simmering while you focus on the main course. The Cusimax B101 transcends the limitations of a typical hot plate. It's a versatile and portable appliance that empowers you to cook delicious meals anywhere, anytime. With its powerful heating element, precise temperature control, and user-friendly features, the B101 opens doors to a world of culinary possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a college student just starting, the Cusimax B101 can be your reliable partner in the kitchen, dorm room, or on your next outdoor adventure. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.